I mean, my edge is definitely a mix of technical and fundamentals. Whereas I always want to be chasing after the strongest names, strongest sectors, the most aggressive growth names, and I'm gonna mix day trading and swing trade. I'm gonna read tape and I'm gonna just trade very simply for the macro, but then I'll get a little cheeky for the micro, based off my day trading talents. What about you, Bennett? What's your edge?
I think that the two main ones, one is, again, we talk about being very simple, again, buying on the way up, upping, sell stops, trailing the winners. And then more importantly, given the fact that I talk with a lot of new traders and hear the things they're looking to do, it's avoiding a lot of the horrible investment ideas, because you hear the same one over and over and over for an extended period of time. So there's just certain names where it's like, I won't touch this name for 6 months because the last 9 people have been trying to force me into buying AAL. When me, we both walk through LAX, I walk through the airports in New Jersey and Arizona in 5 minutes, when a year ago it would take an hour to get through. So those are those things where it's like, when you talk to enough people, you can hear what they want to do, and they all have the same idea. It's usually a bad one. So I think those two, just keeping it simple and then keep my ear to the streets.